Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. In the previous class of computer, we already learned about types of keys. Now, today we start label the arrow keys. So, the first key is right key, and the second key is up arrow, and the third one is left arrow, and the fourth one is down arrow. Okay. Delete key. So the delete key is also known as del for short. DEL. Del for short. It locates on the keyboard. So student, there are two types of delete keys on the keyboard. One of them can be found above the arrow key and the other is present on the numeric pad on the right side of on the keyboard. So the delete key is used to erase whatever we have typed on the screen towards right to the cursor. So delete key helps us to delete the typed on the screen, and it use when we press the delete key, the character on the right of the cursor get erased. Okay students, you can also use this key to erase the selected text, files, folders or images. So student, with the help of delete key, you can delete anything which is typed on the screen. Now, talking about backspace key. So, the backspace key has the backward arrow marked on it and it is located above the enter key. So, it is found above the enter key and it used to erase the text to the left of the cursor. With the help of backspace key, we erase the letter or text to the left of the cursor. Now, talking about control key. So, the control key is marked as CTRL on the keyboard. In short, CTRL. There are two control keys. One of them is located just above the left shift key and the other name is located before the left arrow key. Okay, and it use similar to the shift key. As we use shift key, control key is also used. The control key is also a special key that helps us to perform various tasks on the keyboard, and it is used in combination with other keys, make keyboard shortcuts for various operations. For example, control plus C, we can copy anything. Control plus V, we can paste anything. Similarly, control plus S, we can save our files. So, control plus C is equal to copy, control plus V is equal to paste, control plus S is equal to save. Now student, talking about page up and page down key. So it locates page up and page down keys are located to the left of numeric keypad. It is located on the left side of the numeric keypad. Use these two keys are used to move the cursors up and down one page at a time. With the help of page up and page down, you can move your page up and down as you see in this picture. Now talking about escape key. So it locates first key on the keyboard, which is ESC. Its short form is ESC. It is used to exit from something you are working on. Okay students. Now student, talking about symbol keys. So the keys with different symbols such as at the rate, exclamatory, greater than, lesser than, plus, minus and many more marked on them are symbol keys. These keys are known as symbol key. So symbol keys are mostly present on number keys and with alphabet keys. So to type any symbol such as at the rate, percent or dollar, you need to press shift key along with the symbol key. So student, if you want to type any symbol key, you have to press shift key first. Okay, now talking about function keys. So function keys are used to perform special tasks. There are 12 function keys, total 12 function keys. For example, F1, F2, F3, F4 from F12. So these function keys have different functions to perform. For example, F1 is used for help. Similarly, there are F12 function keys, F2, F3, F4, F5. So they perform different function keys. I hope students you understand very well this chapter. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye children.